Hi guys and welcome. Today in this video we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency market and about the latest news, what happened today, November 15th, and let's roll. So what's happening in the cryptocurrency market? We have small green color. Bitcoin price for the moment is 16,829. Dominance of Bitcoin is 38.2, ETH dominance 18.3. The global crypto market cap still under the trillion. It is $843 billion with a tail, and nothing has changed. We are in the red zone, and situation is not changing significantly. This insane drop after FTX exchange, y'all know that. So guys, let's roll to the latest news. Vitalik Buterin sold 3,000 Ethereum during FTX hack. Co-founder of the Ethereum wallet reportedly dumped a huge amount of ETH tokens last weekend. Is Vitalik Buterin selling in FUD? As per missed track, Vitalik exchanged around 3,000 Ethereum for around 4 million USDC. The transaction was processed on the Uniswap in the 3 transactions on November 12th. Interestingly, Vitalik's dump came when the crypto world was fighting with the FTX hack and crisis. Data depicts that Ethereum was trading at an average price of $1,261 on that day. ETH price have dropped by more than 18% over the past 7 days. Ethereum is trading at an average price of $1,281 at the press time. However, its prices are up by 3% in the last 24 hours. Vitalik Buterin probably knows something about the cryptocurrency market, but that's interesting, and we're gonna see how this information will affect the cryptocurrency market. Retail investors are taking significant losses this year, causing many to shun individual stock in favor of funds that track the biggest high-tech companies on the Nasdaq in hopes of recouping losses. According to data complied with JP Morgan Chase, personal portfolios in the US fell 44% between early January and 18th of October due to intense pressure on highly valued stocks due to the rising interest rates and a worsening economic outlook. Retail investors have lost an average of 44% this year. The typical 60-40 portfolio is down 34% this year, its worst performance in 100 years. As a result, there's been a lot of investment into alternatives by some of the biggest players in finance market. Institutions allocating 30 to 50% of their assets to alternatives, fund managers increasing allocation. Retail share has potential to more than double in the next 3 years. So what alternatives are they looking into besides crypto? Goldman Sachs acceptable art items among the ways to protect purchasing power. Precious metals, fine art, and classic cars can help to protect purchasing power when consumer and commodity prices are rising rapidly. According to Citi, art correlates less than 0.3% with any other significant asset. According to Morgan Stanley, fine art sells for an average of 26% more at auction compared to this time last year. According to the MasterWorks All Art Index, contemporary art prices have exceeded the S&P 500 by 131% over the past 26 years. MasterWorks allows you to invest in the same multi-million-dollar art for a fraction of the total price. And if MasterWorks sells the painting you're interested in at a profit, you get a share of the profits. For example, a few weeks ago in early November, they sold a painting for 17.8% net profit. 17.8. They've had 5 strategic exits this year alone, with the last 3 bringing investors more than 17, 21, and 33% net profit. As a result, MasterWorks paintings sold out in minutes. MasterWorks uses its own data set to understand which artists' markets are growing fast and have the most attractive historical price growing rates. This is the first secondary market of its kind that allows you to buy and sell stocks directly to and from other investors. As a member, you can get priority access to this database for free to do your own research by clicking on the link in the description panel of this video, so make sure to check it out. CEX reserve plunges, hits lowest level since 2018. Following the FTX crash, crypto centralized exchanges are at their all-time low since November 18th. You all know that the crisis with FTX affected the market significantly. In the wake of the FTX crisis affecting several crypto projects, centralized exchanges have experienced a massive decline, spiraling to a 4-year low. This is really interesting. As reported by several crypto intelligence platforms, a total of 3.7 billion in Bitcoin, 2.5 billion in the ETH, and more than 2 billion in stablecoin have flowed out of CEX within a week from November 6 due to the infamous FTX crash. As revealed by several credible charts and data, as the crypto value continues to rise in reserve, there will be a higher selling pressure and an opposite trend in price in general. That's how this information will affect the cryptocurrency market. Also, stablecoin is rising its value as it has to buy pressure, while for derivative exchange, since the coins can be used to open both long and short, a rise in reserve values indicates possible high volatility. So be cautious, guys, if you're trading on the exchanges intraday, maybe be cautious because there will be volatility. That's really insane. FTX hacker continues to withdraw crypto assets from FTX wallets. FTX drainer addresses still receiving crypto assets from FTX and FTX US wallets even 3 days after the hack. Multiple FTX and FTX US wallets continue to send crypto assets to the FTX drainer address. That have been 3 days after the hack. The FTX drainer address now holds almost $62 million in crypto assets. The hacker transferred over 600 million in crypto assets from wallets triggered by an auto update that leaked keys and execute functions to empty several wallets. If you do have FTX wallet, if you have their application, you need to be cautious right now because it's really insane hack. Like for a long time, I haven't seen such huge amount, over $600 million in crypto assets. This is enormous situation. We're gonna see if someone will find out who is the hacker, but probably not, and a lot of people will lose their money. Visa terminates debit card program with FTX. Visa spokesperson confirmed to Cointelegraph the company has terminated its global agreements with FTX. And that's quite clear why. Everybody knows about this hack. Everybody knows that a lot of money was outflowed from the wallets of just simple users. And Visa, in the end of the story, Visa terminates debit card program with FTX. XRP price rallies 15%. Why Ripple could outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't actually believe in Ripple as for myself, but Ripple started a strong increase above the 0.350 resistance against the US dollar. XRP price is now attempting a key upside break above the 0.38 resistance. After a sharp decline, Ripple's XRP found support near 0.320 against the dollar. The bears made two attempts to push the price below the 0.32, but they failed. The recent low was formed near 0.32 before there was a fresh increase. XRP price climbed over 15 and cleared the 0.35 resistance, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll see what's going to happen with the Ripple. This is really old project, and you'll know that it's quite unstable. Those folks who still hold the XRP, I don't know what they're waiting for. Bitcoin price consolidates. 100 SMA could start a decent recovery. Bitcoin price reacted to the downside once again after it failed to clear the 17.2 zone. BTC declined below the 17 and 16.5 levels. It even spiked below the 16,200 level. However, the bulls were active above the 16 support zone. A low was formed near 16,164, and the price started a slow increase. There was a move about 16.4 and 16.5. The price cleared the 50% fib retracement level of the recent decline from the 17 swing high to 16.154. Now it's trading below 17. 100-hour simple moving average, it is testing the 61.8 fib retracement level of the recent decline. On the upside, an immediate resistance near 16.8. That's what the situation on the cryptocurrency market, guys. All the latest news we discussed. So put down your comments on this video. Make sure to check out all the useful links in the description panel. And guys, I wish you a big profit. I wish you to stay safe and to keep your funds safe and to make a big profit. Thanks, take care, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.